Today I'm taking a look at the SoFi portable air compressor. So it comes with a nice clamshell case. We've got our instructions, and we have got the compressor. So it's got kind of a retracting rubber handle, which is kind of neat. We got our USB ports, so there's USB-A and USB-C. Got a light. We actually have two nozzles on here, so we have inflate and deflate. So if we want to use this thing to quickly suck the air out of something, this actually has that option. We also got our threaded port for the hose, and it says this is capable of 3 to 140 PSI, so that is quite a lot. And it says it's accurate within 1 PSI, so very accurate. And on the front we have our display. Okay, that is a very nice looking display as well. So the default mode is for a car, and that is in bar. If we hit mode, we can change that to a motorcycle. We got a bicycle in PSI and basketball in PSI. And we also have wind. So this is just going to push air. This is mostly for inflating things like floaties, or, just anything that's inflatable, but it doesn't really have a set PSI. It's just going to keep on pushing air until you stop it. My bicycle is 30 PSI. That's cool. So it is accurate up to a half a PSI. And we have a light on here, which is excellent. So if you're on the side of a road in the middle of the night, you need to be able to read the numbers on the side of the tire. Got that as an option as well. Now look at that. And it has kind of an SOS light. Cool. So we have our inflator hose. We have our valve hose, and this is a braided hose. And we got a little bag of goodies. So we got a bunch of different nozzles for sticking onto the end of the hose. Those just thread on. So then you can just use whichever nozzle is going to be suitable for your equipment. So if I push that into the inflate and then give that a twist to lock it in. Cool. That'll make life a lot easier if you don't want to be making yourself dizzy trying to blow something up yourself. We have our charging cable. So this is USB-A to USB-C. And we got some nozzles for the pressurized hose. So I'm just going to thread the hose in. Okay, now it looks like we will have to reset that back to 30 whenever we shut that guy off. Not a big deal, just one of those things. So you're currently at 24 PSI. And I'm happy to say that it is not really that loud. So in my garage, this thing is not blowing my ears out. There we go. So it did stop on its own, so that means that we don't have to be sitting there and babysitting it. It will just take care of itself. So that is awesome. And the last thing I want to check is the charging capability. There we go. And that will charge a phone. That is awesome. So that is a very nice compressor. The fact that it runs fairly quiet, that it's got this nice large display on it so you can actually see what the numbers are, it has that light and has the charging capacity, that is an awesome tool.